Hey everyone, Abhishek here with another LeetCode video. Today we'll be solving LeetCode's problem number 495, Teemo attacking. So in this one, the problem statement goes like this. In LoL world, there is a hero called Teemo and his attacking can make his enemy as be in poison condition. Now given the Teemo's attacking ascending time series towards S and the poisoning time duration per Teemo's attacking, you need to output the total time that F is in poison condition. You may assume that Teemo attacks at the very beginning of a specific time point and makes F be in poison condition immediately. Okay, so a story based problem statement, somewhat story based, and it has a couple complex words thrown in like time series, but basically it's an array of data in ascending order. So it's an array problem at the core. So let's look at an example. So in the first example, the given so-called time series is 1 and 4 and the duration is of 2. So at the beginning of time point 1, Teemo attacks and S is poisoned immediately and is poisoned until the end of second time point. So duration is 2 and after that Teemo attacks again at the beginning of fourth time point and S is again poisoned until the end of fifth time point. So the time points that S is poisoned are first, second, fourth and fifth. So in total 4 time points and the total duration is of 4 time points and 4 seconds for simplicity maybe. And in the next example we can see that 1 and 2 is part of the time series and still the duration is 2. So in this one the output is 3 because after the end of when Teemo attacks S at the first time point, it already covers 2, but Teemo again attacks S at 2, so the effect of the first attack will be nullified. So it will give us 1 duration for the first attack and 2 duration for the second attack. So in total we'll get 3. So let's solve this problem. Let's jump into the code. Okay, so at first I'll declare a variable called total duration, assign it the value of 0. Then we'll check the length of the time series array. If it's equal to 0, because there's nothing in the array, so we'll simply return total duration, which is 0 right now. Return total duration. You can just return 0 too, but I guess I'll go like this. Next we'll iterate over the array, the time series array, in range of 1. We'll start with 1 because we'll do a kind of subtraction in the body of the loop, and the ending will be len of time series. Alright, now we'll add to total duration the values of minimum of the duration value or the value of time series of I minus time series of I minus 1. And finally, just let me fix that. Okay, and finally we'll return total duration. Okay, so what this bit does is this is the only main logic of this whole problem. We are incrementally adding duration to total duration unless the value of current time point and subtracted by the previous time point is less than duration. So for this example, 2 minus 1 is less than 2, so 1 will be added. But in this example, 4 minus 1 is 3, which is greater than 2, so 2 will be added to total duration. Okay, so let's hit run. Okay, the test cases are empty. Let me just add one. Let me add the second one. I was just playing around with the code, so I guess I forgot to reset the test cases. Okay, let's hit run. It should give us 3. Okay, there's an issue. Okay, let's hit submit. Let's see. Oh, yeah, this is where I messed up. So what we need to do is we also need to add the duration to at the end, because whatever value is at the at the last time point of time series, we aren't actually calculating the duration for that one. So we'll need that. So let's hit run again. I think this time it will work. Yeah, it works. Let's hit submit. Alright, it runs. 93.79 looks good. ON of complexity. So yeah, that's it for this one. Likes and subs will be appreciated, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.